Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create music using AI tool in 2023. So artificial intelligence or AI has transformed the world of music composition, allowing artists and creators to explore new realms of creativity. So in this guide, we'll explore some popular AI-powered music creation tools that can help you compose unique and inspiring music. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, of course, let's start by first of all choosing the right music creation tool. There are several AI-powered music creation tools available in 2021, or sorry, 2023, uh, each with its own sets of features and capabilities. So make your own research and select one that aligns with your musical preferences and goals. And once you select one, you'll have to simply sign up and access that tool. I can give you some examples, the 5 best AI music generators known or that I know. There is the Mobert. Let's open all of them. So there's the Mobert, and there is the Soundful. There is the Iva. There is the Beats Bot, and finally there is the Beats Open. So let's run through all of them. And for you, you can go and do your own research about all of them and see what's best suit your need. Most of them are free to use or includes a free plan, so don't worry about that. So let's start by this mover. So as you can see, generate a track now for your video content, podcasts, and app, Human X AI generative music. So as you can see, you can simply go and open a new account if you don't have an account. And if you have an account, you can simply go and log into it. And with this AI tool, you'll be able to create tracks. So let's just click on sign up. And as you can see, you can sign up with Google or Facebook, which will prevent you from doing all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. You can join even their affiliates program and receive 30% off from each paying customer friend refunded by you or referred by you. So for me, I'm just going to log in with my Google account, choosing the account here. And as you can see, here we are. So you can simply enter the prompts that you want, or even choose the genre, the moods, or activities, and even set the duration, and simply click on generate track. So simply here, I'm just going to choose like chill music as an example, and duration it's just gonna be like 20 seconds. Why not? And click on generate track. So as you can see, genre is chill and it's 20 seconds. So it's created right now, or it's being created. Meanwhile, we can go and check other option. Okay, never mind. It's already created. So you can simply click on here on the play button and you'll be able to hear this music. So as you can see, it's starting right now. You'll be able to hear it and you can generate some similar one of those. You can even download this if you want to. And this music, you'll be able to use it on your videos, on whatever you want, depending on whatever suits you. So this is the first tool. Other tools, as we said, there is the Soundful. So this one, if you go to pricing, there is the free plan, as you can see, which will get you 10 downloads per month, one STEM pack per month, for non-profits and personal use only, and access to 25 plus free templates. There is some plans that you can get if you want to. As you can see, it will get you more features or better features if you want to. So if you have an account, you can log in into it, but if you don't, click on start for free. And simply here, I can always connect with my Google account. So let me just uncheck this option because this will keep sending me emails on my email. I don't want that. So just agree to the Soundful terms of use and privacy policy. Make sure to read them before you agree on them. And simply, I'm just going to connect with my account right here. So let's just wait a bit. And as you can see here, you'll have to simply answer some questions. So I'm just going to type like artist, whatever, click on continue. And here's an example. I'm just going to type social media, continue. And here we are. So from here, again, we'll be able to create videos. So you can simply click here to create track. And as you can see, track, let's just choose an example, I don't know, pop and Afro pop. And as you can see, here you'll have to edit the settings, give it track name. As example, I'm just going to name it test, sorry, test track, and click on create preview. Let's just wait a bit until this track is being created. It should not take a lot of time. And once it's created, of course, we'll be able to hear it. So as you can see, it will be created, and now I'll be able to hear it, all the video. If I like it, of course, I can click on save, and if I don't, I can create a new preview if I want to change in other settings from here. This is for the soundful. Of course, there's other options, as example. So you can even play it like on the background if you want to. There's this IVA. So we're not going to go through all of them, as you can see. So for you, let me just go at least show you the pricing of every one of them. So as you can see, IVA offers a free plan also, with comes with these features. And as you can see, there are other plans if you want to get more features. So simply, if you have an account, you can simply log in into it, and if you don't, you can simply go and create an account. This is for individuals. There's even this students in schools, as you can see. So pricing for students in schools can benefit from 30% discount on our annual plans and 15% discount on our monthly plans. If you are interested, please reach out our contact form and provide like documents or your student's card or student's ID to show them that you are a student or school, and you will get this discount. For the Beatbot, as you can see, this you will be able to sign in or sign up into a new account, but you can even use this right away without any problem. So as you can see, you can simply describe the song that you want to create and simply click on generate, or you can even generate on Splash Pro if you want to create an account and get for yourself an account and even pay for a better plan. And the last AI tool will be this one. As you can see, if we go to here to pricing, we will have just two plans, the free plan and the pro plan. But the pro plan, of course, if you get more minutes here, you will have to pay more. So depending on whatever suits you. So the free plan will contain these features, and the pro plan will contain these features. So depending on whatever suits you, go and create an account. If you want to get a better feature, go and get a plan for yourself, and you can create your music and download this depending on what you want. So if you reach this point of this video, there you have it. And AI music creation tools have opened the new horizons for musicians and composers, enabling them to explore innovative musical landscape. So don't be afraid to experiment, collaborate, and push the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Embrace the future of music creation in 2023 and beyond. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorial like this one, and I will see you in the next video.